Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing this circuit breaker lock-on. Now this is not a lock-off for safety reasons. This is a lock-on specifically made for breakers that are supplying power to a fire alarm panel or some sort of fire life safety equipment. In here we have the lock-on itself and a bunch of stickers that you will want to put on your panel or on the breaker. We will look at how that's going to work in a little bit. First I'll open this thing up. So we've got the fire alarm breaker lock-on that locks it on. We've got this guy right here, which looks like we put it on maybe the fire alarm panel. We've got the Allen key for it and the set screw that will hold it onto the breaker. And we've got a bunch of stickers right here. So we will open up our electrical panel. And right there is our fire alarm breaker that we want to lock on. So this will sit on the breaker just like this, and we can install our set screw. Sorry, my fingers are kind of in the way. Now I will need the Allen key, which is provided, or the hex key, whatever you want to call it, to tighten it up. I'm actually going to take it off the breaker to just wear it in first. It's pretty tight at first. So now I see that little metal pit's starting to bend out, so I'm not going to tighten it anymore. It's as tight as it will get. And as you can see, you can't remove it easily. There's no way you can accidentally turn the breaker off, which is the purpose of it. Now we've got lots of different stickers, and first I'm going to put a sticker on our panel breaker spots right here, or the spot where you put down what is what, which that's pretty square enough. Now on the outside of the panel, I'm going to close the panel, and I'm going to put on this bottom sticker, which says fire alarm emergency circuit inside. Just like that. I also put this fire alarm emergency communications on this. I don't have any right now, but I'd like to somehow get something somehow hooked up to my network that it could work. So I just have this here as if there was something. It just makes it look kind of cool. I don't right now, so I've got the fire alarm emergency circuits inside, and I've got these guys. I'm not sure what the ECS stands for, but the main thing is I have to lock out, so now the circuit breaker can be turned off by someone. There's no way someone can just come up to it and turn it off. A couple things that I wish this breaker lock on could do, which it can't, is I wish they made a bigger version for molded case circuit breakers. Those are the big ones that you find on large switchgear. Normally your main service switchgear of large services like 4, 6, 8, 1,000, 1,200, 1,600, like big services, that's the only breakers that will fit on the buses and those panels, but they don't have a version of this for those, at least not that I know of. I also wish there was a 2-pole version of it that, as you can see, there's no way you could fit it over a 2-pole breaker, but I wish there was an option for there to be the ability to do that, because I've actually seen a whole entire fire alarm sub-panel. So a whole sub-panel just for fire alarm stuff, the panel, communications, and door holder magnets, and other components of the system. So I wish they had some other breaker lockouts, not just this one for single pole breakers. And yes, though, this is probably the most common breaker that you need to put it on as a single pole breaker, but I just thought it'd be nice if there was the option. Anyways, though, that's about it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Any comments or questions, leave those down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.